Hello guys, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Ada. Today I'll be showing you how to turn off all media auto download on your WhatsApp. Sometimes some people might upload some media such as photos, videos, audio, and documents on a WhatsApp group you belong, and automatically you see it being downloaded to your device without actually tapping the media to download. Okay, so to prevent that, I'll be showing you what you can do. So the first thing you're going to do is to go to the WhatsApp app, then you tap on it. So once you tap on it, you go to these three dotted lines, you tap on it. Then next you go to settings, you tap on settings, and you're going to see storage and data, you tap on it. To prevent media auto download when using mobile data, when using connected on Wi-Fi, or when roaming, okay, we are going to turn everything off. Okay, so when using mobile data, you tap on it, then you turn all this off: photos, audio, videos, and documents. So once this is turned off, okay, you will no longer see media that is automatically downloaded in your device without you actually tapping on them. Okay, so what you're going to do is to untick all this. You untick all this, then you go to OK. As you guys can see, when using mobile data, no media. Okay, and you're going to do the same with this other one. When connected on Wi-Fi, you tap on it and you untick all of this: photos, audio, videos, and documents. You tap on it. Okay, then you go to when roaming, you tap, you disable or untick all this, then you tap on OK. All right, as you guys can see, we've turned all this off to no media. Okay, so no media can automatically be downloaded into your device without you actually tapping on it. Okay, all right guys, this is how you can turn off all media auto download on your WhatsApp. Okay, so that is basically it. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and as well subscribe. See you guys in my next one. Have a lovely day. Bye for now.